This is it. Harley-Davidson's wildest, most extreme bagger yet, the CVO Road Glide RR. Built for speed, designed to dominate, and packing a monster 2,146 cubic centimeters Screamin' Eagle V-twin, this machine is ready to shake up the streets. At a glance, the RR looks like it was pulled straight from the racetrack. The signature shark nose fairing, sharpened for aerodynamics. The bodywork, leaner and more aggressive than ever. And that slammed, race-ready stance makes it clear this is no ordinary road glide. It's finished in a bold, race replica paint job, drawing inspiration from Harley's king of the baggers machines. The mix of matte and gloss finishes gives it an unmistakable presence, whether it's parked or ripping down the highway. And under all that aggressive styling, a heart that beats pure performance. The Screamin' Eagle 131 CI engine delivers 150 brake horsepower and 150 lb-ft of torque, pushing Harley's limits like never before. Fuel injection, a pushrod-operated valve system, and a full titanium 2-in-1 Akrapovic exhaust, all dialed in for maximum power. Handling, next level. Harley didn't hold back, fitting this beast with top-shelf Öhlins suspension. Up front, fully adjustable FGR forks. Out back, a pair of Öhlins remote reservoir shocks keep everything planted, whether you're carving corners or launching off the line. And stopping all that speed, nothing but the best. Brembo monoblock calipers bite down on full-floater T-drive rotors, giving you serious stopping power with race-spec precision. The final piece of the puzzle, this billet aluminum swing arm. Taken straight from the king of the baggers racers, it stiffens up the rear end, making sure every bit of power gets to the pavement. This isn't just for looks, it's built for real performance. Win on Sunday, sell on Monday, that's Harley's game. And at $110,000, the CVO Road Glide RR is one exclusive ride. But make no mistake, this is the most hardcore, race-bred bagger Harley has ever built.